My name actually means Meta, it's the mint, and Bora, it's the wind that blows from the mountains to the seaside, a very strong and cold wind. So yes, I used to be going around very fast around this planet, traveling a lot, but in the last few years I somehow chilled out, and I'm living at home where I come from, that's Slovenia, Lake Bled. Yes, mostly I work with tourism and like to meet people from abroad that travel around and show them the place where I live and history where I grew up. I don't know, I'm good in connecting people. I'm very communicative, which is my superpower. I'm quite stubborn. When I want something, I try to reach it. First, the politics, I guess, because the politics are still so much dividing the people, and yeah, people don't have enough. Some people are grabbing everything and don't have no feeling for other people, and so everything is so unjust. Yeah, I think that for the beginning, that probably would slowly make people more kind to each other and they wouldn't fight. So here it's very complicated. Every neighbor, it's not a friend, it's some kind of enemy. They say, let the neighbor's cow die. That's some kind of a proverb here. So he won't have no milk and I can have no milk either. It's quite sad. It's not my philosophy. That I live here, I guess. I'm proud that I live here in the countryside and that I have a lot of nature around me and some nice people that are my friends. But with the years you actually discover that yeah, you have so many friends and you know so many people, but in the end not a lot of them are really friends. Green leaf vegetables, I guess. I have rucola in the garden, I eat a lot of salad. If a sandwich is without some green stuff inside, it's not a sandwich for me. So green vegetables united, I guess. Trust that he tells me the truth and to be there when I need him. Well, I'm quite a solitary person, but still there are moments in life it's nice to have friends and hang out with them and spend nice time with them, have some deeper talks, and they're important, yes. No, it's not easy to become friends. It's even harder to keep friends. It's easy to get to know people, but friendship, it's something bigger. I think there is always, from one side, there is something more between women and men, so. But yes, I have also made friends, of course I have them. But I think there is always something behind from one side that it's more than just a friendship. I'm sending you to Matic. This is a friend from Ljubljana. We met on the same festival like with Miki, but we saw each other a few times later on in Ljubljana and we were working together for a festival also. So I don't know his name, probably he doesn't have one. We call him Matic. He's a very tall guy and very funny guy, very warm-hearted guy, always ready there to help if anything goes wrong, and he will be welcoming you, I guess, with very good vibes. That he's very positive guy and always prepared for some action and ready for do something. He's up to, he's like alive, not lazy and not doing nothing. Let's do something, and he will be always there. And yes, he's a warm-hearted person.